Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Winter is definitely at the door. To be fair, in UK, winter is always at the door. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a very quick and easy roast pepper and tomato soup. If you can follow, like, subscribe, turn on the bell, do a little bit of noise, share with friends, family, with everyone, and help us to grow the channel. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Facciamo! First of all, we grab 2 trays, possibly the same size, with a little bit of depth. Agita depth.
Depth, yes, the trays are depth.
Come si depth?
Depth.
They need to have a little bit of... Basically, they need to be a bit taller because we need to put the water inside, okay? So, we only need a few peppers for the flavor. Don't worry about, your knife skill in this recipe because we just need chunky bits. This is nice and easy to do, very few ingredients, but super flavorful.
Playful.
Today my camera woman is a pain in the ass, eh?
He's playful.
He is paining my assholes.
Red onions. You can even pick white. I just prefer red because they help with the color a little bit, okay? Especially when you live in UK, you need to understand that the tomatoes is basically colored water. Also the onions, you see, nice chunks. Don't you worry, 1 onion in 1 tray. Nice and easy, you see, bam, just like that. Then, garlic. I like mine quite garlicky. Over the years in the kitchens, people always ask me, "Oh chef, what's the fastest way to peel garlic?" And I always say to them, well, ask someone else to peel for you.
I'll be here all week. Be sure to tip your waitress.
Now it's time for our tomatoes. We're gonna get some chunky ones for the volume. Tomatoes, literally just in fours. Baby plum tomato. Even in UK, they taste sweet, so just in half. So I'll start with a nice pinch of salt. Each tray, yeah. Cracked pepper. Nice sprinkle of oregano. Obviously, tomatoes, onions are full of water, peppers are full of water. I'm literally gonna add roughly about 100 ml of water per tray just to help the steam to cook faster the tomato, release faster the liquids and everything. I know it's not Italian, but you know what? It tastes very nice. So add a little bit of dark soy sauce, roughly about 10 ml per tray. Adds a touch of balsamic glaze. We're gonna release more sweetness into the liquids in each tray, but also it helps slightly the tomatoes and the onion to caramelize more in the oven. Come si chiamano qui, qua e qua in inglese? And also because tomato, onion and balsamic glaze is like Huey, Dewey and Louis. Olive oil, my friend. And there is no quantity. Just by feeling, my friend, like Karate Kid, no? And mix everything. Obviously, try to break up the onions just a little bit, so you help them cook a bit faster. We wanna already the oven quite hot, around 180-190 degrees. And we're gonna cook them roughly about 30 minutes. Comunque lui e due fa una cagata, cioè qui qua e qua è scasse. Qui qua e qua.
Qui qua. Do.
After half an hour in the oven, that is what we want the tomato looking like. If you don't have a professional blender, a hand blender will do. We're gonna add our basil. We're gonna add a very little bits of butter and a few tablespoons of creme fraiche. Start slowly. And then slowly go up, 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 up. Vai dai, Blend for about 2 minutes. Other cups. Caro souvens. I still want to pass it because I love my soups as smooth as possible. Let's just taste to check the seasoning. Add pinch of salt, touch of pepper. Let's taste again.
You scummy fucker! Get out!
Sorry, that's true. Guacamole combinata, fra. So unfortunately I broke the other one, so I have got the icing sugar sieve. Oh, it'll do the job, don't worry. Now, something is definitely missing. A grilled cheese sandwich. Now we are talking. Why are you looking at me?
Oh, well, I'm staring at the grilled cheese.
Ah, so it's not me, it's the grilled cheese.
Maybe.
You want some?
Yeah. Right, I'm just going to dunk the whole. There we go.
Of course. That's good, that.
This is my kitchen now.
My friend,
What?
I need to finish the recipe. You need to taste, not to have the dinner this time. You get what I mean? You give a nail, what? They take the whole body.
When the nail's that tasty, yeah, I'm going to have the whole body.
I'm gonna do the same. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.